In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the missing save option in Instagram stories. That is simple and easy. So let's get started. The first and most important thing you should to do, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. So first of all, go to your device app store or Play Store, search for Instagram and check if an update is available. The updated version often fix bug and restore missing features. Once your app is updated, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on archiving and downloading. Now make sure that save story to gallery are turned on. And that's it. You should now be able to see the save option again when posting stories or reels. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.